Meet the Sennheiser Profile Wireless Microphone System, a versatile audio solution designed for content creators and videographers who demand both quality and flexibility. Inside the box, you'll find two clip transmitters, a compact 2-channel 2.4 GHz receiver, and a multi-function charger case that doubles as a handheld interview microphone. Whether you're conducting interviews, recording podcasts, or capturing on-the-go content, the Profile Wireless adapts seamlessly to your needs. Use the clip-on mics for discreet recording, convert the charging bar into a handheld mic for dynamic interviews, or set it up with a tabletop microphone for studio sessions. With versatile mounting and connection accessories, the system easily integrates with smartphone, cameras, and computers, ensuring you're always ready to record no matter how the device. Each transmitter offers internal recording capability, providing up to 30 hours of backup audio of 24-bit 48 kHz. This ensures you never miss a moment, even in the challenging environments. Operating a reliable 2.4 GHz frequency with a range up to 245 meters, the Profile Wireless delivers clear and consistent audio. The system boasts a signal-to-noise ratio of 78.5 dBA, ensuring professional-grade sound quality. So guys, this is the sound quality of the Sennheiser Profile Wireless Microphone. So again, I have my transmitter or the microphone, and we have the transmitter to the Sony FX3. And again, this is the sound quality of the Sennheiser Profile Wireless Microphone. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this Sennheiser Profile Wireless Microphone, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Or if you want to check all the Sennheiser that we have here in AB World, again, check our website www.abworld.com. Elevate your audio production with the Sennheiser Profile Wireless Microphone System, where innovation meets versatility. If you need the perfect background music and sound effects to your video, check this audio. This platform offers you the best and high-quality background music and sound effects that's perfect for your video. And they have amazing AI tools like Link Match and Enhance AI. Easy to use, and it gives you a perfect match for your video. So if you need to avail the 70% off, you can check the link on the description and use my special code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And also, check the Enhancer, a cool film emulation that gives you perfect vibes on the film like a photo or video. If you want to check the price and availability of this product, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So guys, hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay!